Trying Jamaican coffee for the first time.
The first time. What do you want to try first? The coffee?
Yeah.
Here we have a French vanilla latte with oat milk. Give it a stir. It's beautiful.
All right. Straw. Can I eat this with my hands? Is that no?
Drink
all right.
it.
Okay.
It's really good. Yeah, this is my favorite.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Try the.
That is better than any coffee that you could find in America.
Okay.
What's this?
It's like a mango smoothie.
Okay.
Let's try. Good.
It's not as smooth as I thought it was gonna be. It's more like a like icy, but it's good.
Okay.
All right.
Now we have a jerk chicken wrap. Let the people see. Let the people see. It's beautiful. Beautiful cross section.
Oh.
Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah.
This right here. This is it. I need this every day. Where you at? Cafe Blue? This is at Cafe Blue?
Cafe
I
Blue.
need this every day. Every morning.
You guys heard what the man say? Cafe Blue is a success. Out of all three, which one is the winner? I mean, a coffee. Woo-hoo.